Hello to all of our neighbors over there in Daytona Beach. I'm Joanne, the assistant here at Routes for Sale, coming to you from Tampa, and we just listed an Arnold and Bimbo route in Daytona Beach with an asking price of $189,000. It services 3 accounts, comes with a truck and a trailer, and a cash flow of $78,992 annually as an owner-operator. Let's go through this listing together. So the route is generating an estimated $431,652 in yearly sales and netting, again, $78,992 per year as an owner-operator. That's after expenses. The expenses include, but are not limited to, fuel, vehicle repairs and maintenance, the handheld computer, and insurance. The route payment hasn't been calculated into this figure. There's simply too many variables, like how much of a down payment you initially put down and your APR. Speaking of the APR, Bimbo will finance the remaining portion over a 10-year period at an approximate interest rate of 9.5% APR with good credit and 10.5% APR with bad credit. One thing that you might note about the expenses, there's no stale and damaged product included in there, and that is because Bimbo gives their distributors full credit for stale and damaged product, as well as full credit for items that when stores have promotions like buy one, get one free, their distributors are paid full commission on both units. And Bimbo also gives a monthly pay allowance for wearing their shirts and displaying their company logo. I've always found that to be very interesting. There's also a note about this route down here that it is in a very solid, stable, and productive area. There are 3 accounts, and we would be happy to share the account list with you upon the execution of a non-disclosure agreement. That would also include the warehouse location. And I can send you one to be signed electronically if we don't already have one on file, so you can obtain the account list and see which 3 stores are generating such a great revenue. If you're curious as to why the owner's selling, they have decided to pursue other opportunities after having the route for a year. It was established for years prior to the current owner having it, and their working hours are based on what's required to meet the customer's demand. But typically for a bread route, Wednesdays and Sundays are the days off, and early morning hours are required. Usually a start time somewhere between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the morning, I see on the paperwork most frequently. You would be responsible for evaluating and creating orders, pulling the orders from the inventory on your truck, going through the receiving doors through the back door at your accounts, and filling the orders to the shelf, doing the merchandising, etc., etc. This route is currently receiving an average of 20% of its gross weekly sales, which is averaging $1,660 per week. Another thing to mention about the route, again, there's a vehicle included. It is a 2008 Chevy Express truck with 265,000 miles on it and a 2017 cargo trailer included with the purchase. One last thing to note here about working with Bimbo Bakeries, they do require you to purchase the route under an INC, cannot be an LLC, so just keep that in mind when you are forming your business plans. If this might be something that you're interested in, please reach out to us. You can give us a call at 1-844-768-8374 or email us at info@routesforsale.net. If you do shoot us an email, please include this somewhere in the body or the title of the email. Doesn't necessarily have to be this, but just let me know it's the Daytona Beach route for Bimbo. We'll be happy to help you out, and we look forward to working with you.